Hi, my name is Megan. I'm from Troop 5665. Today I'm going to be making chocolate chip cookies. This recipe makes 20 cookies. So, the ingredients are 1 1/4 cup of flour, ½ teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, that's at room temperature, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 large egg, 3/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 3/4 cup of chocolate chips, or 1 cup. So first you need to set your oven at 350 Fahrenheit. And in a bowl, mix together the flour, baking soda, and salt. The third step is you need to get your electric mixer and beat the butter and the sugar together until it's light and fluffy for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, once you're done mixing the butter and the sugar, then you add the egg and the vanilla extract and beat it in. So once you're done beating all the ingredients I've said so far, it should look about like this. And then you turn off the mixer and add the flour mixture to the bowl. And mix it on medium just until the flour is mixed in. And then pull the dough together. It will be very chunky. It will be chunky. Now, you add in the chocolate chips until they're both mixed in thoroughly with each other. Done now mixing all the ingredients, and now it looks like this. So now I'm gonna be making them into circles, small circles. And make sure you do not flatten them, because that's not part of the recipe. Okay, now I'm done making all 20 of the cookies. And make sure that you put it on a parchment paper so it doesn't stick to the baking sheet. And you can add oatmeal if you want to be healthy. And make sure that it's not too close. The cookies aren't too close to each other so that they don't stick. And then once you're ready, you can put it in the oven. Okay, so now my oven is at 350 degrees and I'm about to put it in. And be careful because it's hot. And bake it for about 10 to 11 minutes until it's kind of light brown on the top of the cookie. Now the cookies are ready to be eaten, but first you need to cool them off for about until it's cool. And I hope you can make this recipe and enjoy it with your family and friends. And thanks for watching.